Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the $5 Goodwill Challenge Summer 2018 hosted by Hillary of Old World Home. Now for those who may not know, this is where you can go to any thrift store, consignment store, yard sale, garage sale, anywhere you can find secondhand merchandise. You can purchase up to $5 worth, and it can be one item, it can be 5, just as long as your total is 5 or under. Then you bring it home, you clean it, you can paint it, you can repair it, anything that you need to do to make it work for your home. So now I am going to share with you what I purchased. Oh, I think that I fell in love with this when I seen it, and I was very happy to say it cost $4.94. So this is the only thing I have for the challenge. I'm very excited over it. It weighs a little bit less than 2 pounds. From bottom to top here is 8 inches, so it's a very good size. It's not a real flimsy type thing you would think for only $4.94. Of course it is at a Goodwill. So now I am going to clean it up, and then I will show you how I'm going to add it to my decor. I'll be back in a few. Now, before I bring it and show you how I'm going to display it in our home, I want to show you just how beautiful it turned out. Remember, I said it had potential, and look at it now. Isn't that gorgeous? Now I know you're thinking, now Val, how did you do this? It was so simple. I got Mike to do it. I asked him, I said, do you think you can do anything with this? And he said, yeah, I should be able to do that. So he did. He's been retired for going on 4 years, and he had him a little shop, and he had lots of tools, and it had turned into really more of just a storage for his tools. So after he retired, he built a big shop, got all his tools in there, and he loves tinkering on his Harley Davidson, different little things. So he has all kinds of these buffing tools and stuff. And now it pays off for me too. So now I'm going to go show you where I'm going to display it in our home. I'll be back. And here is where I have it displayed. For those who watch the $5 Goodwill Challenge Spring Edition will recognize the plates and the shelf. This is the plates that I bought then. And I wanted a little shelf to display them on. So Mike actually built me the little shelf just for that. I'm trying to give you a couple of angles to just show you how beautiful the picture turned out. I am so pleased. I just love it. And I do want to show you one other little thing. This has nothing to do with the Goodwill Challenge, though I did buy it at the same time. It's just this little silver teapot. Show you. It was $2.22, and it was as in bad a shape as the picture. And Mike took it and also cleaned it for me and did a spectacular job on it as well. But oh, I am just so excited. I just think it just turned out so good. And once again, I want to thank Hillary from Old World Home for making this an open challenge. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. I have enjoyed this so much. I hope everyone has a great day and a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.